Okay, coming in now, we have a Freightliner Class 66 with, I think it's the same train as our last time. You'll see in a minute. Actually, you can probably hear it. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's have a look, see who it is. 66591 for the honest, for the honest. Hey, nice time for the driver there. Thank you very much. With the Arsenal ballast back in train, coming backwards. With a very flat wheel. And nice brakes. And that too. Another flat wheel. So this train would go into Fairwater Freight Yard. This train is running backwards. Saw this train a couple of days ago. So the wagon that you saw at the front is now, at the rear is now at the front, and this wagon was at the front is now at the rear. And a bit of a shove and the shunt. And the train is under power. And there she goes. Clearance from the driver, saying that you can pass through the signal at red. So there goes 66591 into Fairwater Freight Yard. There we go. Oh, hello. Off we got here. Nice tone from a cross-country driver. So in comes now is 220.016. Have a look at anything, see what's going on over here. Now there's much, but down in the distance there is the Fairwater Freight Yard. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.